Good morning to all of you. I am Aditya Rao from class 9. Today I am going to tell about the maths chapter 1 number system exercise 1C. Whose chapter? Chapter 1 and the chapter name is number system. Whose exercise? Exercise 1C. And first of all, we can solve the 8th question. 8th question. So what is the question says? I can read and tells you. Insert a rational and an irrational number between 2 and 2.5. Means the question is say insert a rational. Rational means in the form of P by Q and a rational and a irrational. Sorry, not only in form of P by Q, but the another types of just like point, but there are also in P by Q form, and irrational just like root or terminating, non-repeating, repeating, non-terminating. Thus numbers are irrational numbers. In which the two numbers we can insert a rational and a irrational. 2 and 2.5. Insert a rational and then irrational number between 2 and 2.5. So first our rational number is, you know that 2 and 2.5, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. Rational. What is the number? 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. And last 2.5. But we have what a number choose? The only one number. So we can choose 2.1 or 2.3, 2.4 and 2.2. In there are four numbers. We can choose one number in this answers. And after that we can find irrational number. Irrational number. As we know that in after the point we can increase the numbers terminating or non-terminating, repeating or non-repeating. Just like 2.1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, dot, 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 and infinite. There is a irrational number because this is a non-repeating number. This number is non-repeating because after 1, 00, and after 00, 1, and after 1, 000. After 000, 1, and after 1, there are 4 zeros, and after 1, after 4 zeros, there is 1. And after that 1, there are 5 zeros. After that 1, 6 zeros. There are infinite numbers. So we can mark dot 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 and infinite. There is a rational and there is a irrational. So we cannot show that how can we solve it. Only we can write numbers. As you know, your sir asks you why do you solve the questions. So you can tell in irrational number there is no repeating numbers. In this question, in this answer, the numbers are non-repeating. So next questions we can solve. And after that our ninth question is, what is question saying? How many irrational numbers lie between root 2 and root 3? Find any 3 irrational numbers lying between root 2 and root 3. The question is saying find how many irrational numbers are in root 2 and root 3. root 2 and root 3 are irrational number, and in this irrational number, how many irrational numbers are fitted? So answer is infinite. Infinite numbers are fit in root 2 and root 3. After that, the question says find 3 irrational numbers lying between root 2 and root 3. Let's find. First of all, we want to know that the value of root 2 and the value of root 3. The value of root 2 is 1.414. 1.414. And root 3 is 1.732. 1.732. In these numbers, we have only noticed that 4 and 7, not 14 or 32. After decimal, only we can choose one number. So 4 and 7. There are 2 irrational numbers are lying, but we can many lying the irrational numbers. So let's start. 1.414 and 1.732. After that, 1.441, the 1.4 after 1.5. So 1.5, 155, 155, 145, 1 dot. Is there infinite numbers? So first our irrational number is 1.5155, 155, 145, and after that infinite numbers of 151555. Second number. What is second number? 1.6166. After that 1666. After 1666, dot infinite. There is in this question the irrational numbers are fitted many. After that 1.5, 1.6. But we noticed 1.51 and 1.61. So after this 1.61, the value are 1.62, 1.63. The numbers are increased. So third number is 1.62, 1.62, 6, 226, 222, 6, and infinite. We can find 3 irrational numbers in root 2 and root 3. We want to know that the value of root 2, root 3, root 5, and root 7. And if you have a doubt, find the value of root 5 and root 7. And please comment what is the value of root 5 and root 7. So move to the next topic, our 10th questions. What is our 10th questions? Find 2 rational and 2 irrational numbers between 0.5 and 0.55. Means we can solve the 9th question. Previous question, question number 9th. After that, 9th question is same that. Find 2 rational and 2 irrational number between 0.5 and 0.55. As we know that after that point the values are increases. So 0.5, we let that 0.50 and 0.55. In there are 4 rational numbers lying. Means there are infinite numbers of rational numbers, but we can only choose 2. So 0.51 and 0.52. Our rational numbers are solved. And after that, we can find irrational numbers. How can we find the irrational numbers? In which that 0.50 and after there are many irrational numbers. Why there are many irrational numbers? You told that this is a terminating number and this is not a repeating number, 0.50, and stop the question. But as we know that after that point the values are many types, many increases, infinite values of after point increase. So it is a, in this question I can attempt many types of irrational numbers. So let's start. Irrational numbers. 0.51 and after that 511, after 5 111, after 5 1 1 1 1, and after 5 dot 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 infinite. There are, this is the first, and second is irrational number 0.52, 522, 5222, 52222, 5 dot 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 infinite, and infinite numbers. So we can find only 2 numbers. This question has been also solved. So move to the next question, question number 11. What is the question number 11? Find 3 different irrational numbers between the rational numbers 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Let's find 11 question. What is the question? Find 3 different irrational numbers. Means the different numbers. We can find only same numbers. Just repeat the numbers. In what the values 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. We can choose the you want to find the irrational numbers. So first give the LCM. The LCM is 1777. 7 how many times 77 is divisible by 7? This is the most simple question, so I can write directly 55 and 11 9 7 63. 55 by 77 and 63 by 77. We can write them in this form. The rational number are 56 by 77, 57 by 77, and 58 by 77. Fifty-eight by 77, 59 by 77, 60 by 77, and 60. After that, the 10 numbers are kept. After, we can find irrational number. This is a rational number. Rational number. How can we find irrational number? So we can choose the values 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. The value of 5 by 7 we can divide. So you can Also divide 5 by 7 is equal to 0.714. 0.714 dot 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 dot. And after that 9 by 11. And what is the value of this? 0.818. 0.818 dot 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 dot. So we can find 0.714 and in 0.818. So we can only choose 0.71 and 0.81. There are 10 irrational numbers are lying between 0.74 and 0.818. So 0.724, 2247, 22247 dot 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 infinite. And second 0.734, 334, 73347 dot 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 infinite. And our third is 0.74, 0.747, 447, 4447 and 4447 dot 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 infinite. And only we can find the three rational numbers. In this there are many types of rational numbers: infinite rational numbers, irrational numbers. So you can find in this question, find any three rational numbers or irrational numbers. So this question has been also solved. And I want to say that you find the value of root 5, root 7, only the two roots. And please comment in answer. Please answer in comment. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. And what you comment? The value of this root 5 and root 7. Thanks.